Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. A big day for yen pairs. We see the dollar yen and GBPJPY, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity. As expected, we have seen the dollar yen and GJ had a big bounce from this daily support level. Now let's see where we can find our next opportunity, as we have secured two trades in both of them, dollar yen and GBPJPY. So let's first start with GBPJPY, looking at higher time frame first of all to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly on GJ, if we look at, this is the monthly candle, which is a huge bullish engulfer on GBPJPY. After previous monthly breakdown on GJ, we can see that this month the price, once the market opened, created a higher low and then has formed this long bullish engulfer. Currently the price above this monthly resistance level, and what I think that any pullback to this monthly support level can give us another entry opportunity on GJ. Now looking at the weekly perspective to see overall picture. Now from the weekly also we see that this is a well defined bullish market structure with significant liquidity grab in it. We see with this bullish engulfer followed by a narrower candle, which is a continuation pattern. We saw the GJ previous week closed with another candle which also has a healthy wick at the top, and as you can see this weekly candle is full body green, has a huge volume in it. And as this week JPY news coming up, we could see that GJ becoming extremely volatile, and we can expect this market to remain bullish for long term perspective. Now if we look at the daily chart on GJ, we can see that this market also from the daily is well defined bullish market structure, creating series of higher high and higher low. Now if we look at this level here, there was a dodgy last day of trading week and the market is still maintaining series of higher low. So what we could see, as the price is consolidating on the lower time frame, we could see a retest of this daily support level. What I think that even with the news, we could see that GJ is breaking that trend line, creating an overextended market and then bouncing back up to the resistance level. Now let's see on the lower time frame how we can define this level. Now if we look at this trend line that we have drawn, which is also aligning with this 20 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, as during the news we see that there is manipulation happens. What I think that GJ, we could see a local breakdown to this level here. It might even break further below all this low, and then we could see that GBPJPY again bouncing to the upside. At this point it's still maintaining bullish market structure. As you can see on the 15 minutes, we already had a massive winning trade on GJ, and I will be waiting for all this manipulation happening. Currently any break of the trend line on GBPJPY after a price action confirmation, we can look for going long. This is a long term bull market. All the trade that we will be looking to open are buys. So this is where, based on price action after break of this trend line from this level and above this zone where there is a 4-hour 20 EMA, we'll be looking for buying opportunity on GJ. As soon as we see price action confirmation, we'll look for going long with a high probability trade setup. Now let's look at dollar yen. Looking at monthly chart again on dollar yen, we can see that like the GJ, dollar yen also long term bullish market, starting with this previous monthly drop to this monthly support level. This month we have seen the dollar yen had an immediate bounce. Currently the price has broken this monthly resistance, and we can expect for the price to remain bullish for long term perspective. Now if we look at the weekly chart on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly time frame, after this strong bullish engulfer followed by a narrower candle previous week, also we see a bullish candle on dollar yen. This week we can see that dollar yen is maintaining still bullish market structure. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that as expected, dollar yen today has broken the daily low after double doji formation. The price trying to maintain its long-term bullish market structure. If we look at this series of higher low on dollar yen on the daily, we saw that for the first time today, this series of higher low is broken, and after break of this low from this level, we saw immediate bounce. And as you have seen during the live session, we had a massive winning trade from that zone. What I think that dollar yen now, as you can see, it's forming another long week candle. We could see that it's again gathering liquidity, and even it could try to break this support again, and then we might see dollar yen again bouncing back to the upside. Looking at 15-minute chart like the GJ, we will be waiting for break of this support level. We could see that dollar yen, if the price has broken down, then we can expect to create an overextended market, and along this zone we will be waiting for another bullish trading opportunity on dollar yen. As soon as we will find that, we will look for going long with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, give a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.